Indonesia, the Southeast Asia's largest economy, pulled out of recession in the second quarter after reporting its strongest annual growth rate in more than a decade. But analysts warn its economic recovery will suffer a setback due to a recent surge in COVID 19 infections. Southeast Asia's largest economy grew 7.07% in the April June quarter compared with a year earlier, its first expansion in 5 quarters, Statistics Indonesia reported on Thursday. The pace was stronger than the 6.57% growth and the highest since the October and December quarter of 2004, according to the central bank. The first quarter's contraction was revised to 0.71%. Transportation and warehousing, as well as food and beverage sectors, reported the biggest growth, in line with the people's increasing mobility during the period. High growth rate was also due to low base effects when compared to the weak pandemic stricken second quarter last year, noting countries such as Singapore and the United States have reported a similar pattern. On a quarterly, non seasonally adjusted basis, the economy grew 3.31% compared with a revised 0.92% drop in Jan March. Analysts had expected 2.94%. Indonesia's gross domestic product shrank last year for the first time since 1998 by 2.1% as its COVID 19 outbreak and mobility curbs to contain the coronavirus hit nearly all aspects of economic activity. To help the economy weather the crisis, the government has spent tens of billions of dollars while the central bank implemented unorthodox measures such as directly financing the fiscal deficit to complement its interest rate cuts. However, COVID 19 cases had spiked starting in June, driven by the spread of the Delta variant, and authorities imposed a new round of restrictions since early July.